Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can change your name in your BIGO Live account. It is going to be a very simple and step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end without missing any steps. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead into your BIGO Live account on your mobile device. Once you have opened your app, there's going to be a little ad. Go ahead and skip it. And finally, you're going to be on the home page. On the bottom right, there is going to be a little icon, a human icon, which is your account. Go ahead and tap on it. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply tap on your name up here. Once you have done that, you will be on this page right over here. And on the top right, there is going to be a little edit button. So go ahead and tap on it. Once you did that, tap on your name. And finally here you can simply change your name to whatever you want and simply click on submit. And congratulations, your name should have been changed. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.